Look at these guys. They're just potlickers, eye humpers. Hey man, this lake is too big for us to be here. Get the eye humpers taking our spot, taking all our fish. Look at that guy. Who's this guy right here? Oh, and they're taking all of our fish. Out of control. Look at that. Look at that. What's the secret?
The secret is the thumper.
The thumper.
The thumper and non-live bait lures.
Lures?
Pink lures.
Pink lures? Tell me what you got there.
I got me a bass.
Oh yeah. Well, there you go. We didn't get skunked, man. Think about that, Fonzell.
Man, not bad.
Oh, it's got a decent one. That's a decent one. That's a keeper. Yeah. Let's go and swing him over the boat. There you go. That's a good one. There you go. There you go, Trent. There you go, Trent. Okay, go ahead and lift him straight over the boat. Just get him into the boat. There you go. Hey, there you go. You knew everything, huh? That's a baby. Oh, Herb's got one. Oh, I got one. There's a double. There's a double. Oh. There's a good one here. This may be a hybrid. That's a big one right there.
Nice job.
Ready, John? Ready, John? I'm gonna pull it up, so just let you line out. You gotta let him back. Trent, don't break your heart, man.
Breaking my heart. Oh.
I can't believe I'm already shaved. Oh. Here's what I had when I was sitting there trying to change.
It's about the bike trail ride.
There you go.
Look at him.
I know. Isn't that it? That's it, isn't it? There's Fonzell. Double up, baby. Come on. Bring it up, Fonzell. Come on, Trent. You can do better than that. Triple. There you go, Fonzell. Oh, Fonzell got him a little baby. What's happening today? What are we doing?
I don't know. I got to pick up my game.
Got to pick up you. All right.
Family. Well, we got the family.
All right. That's good, man. Oh, that's a good one. That might be something big. That's a good one. There you go. Get him in the boat. Get him in the boat. There you go. That's a good one right there.
You're not taking that one. You're killing me.
So I can tell what's so hard.
I'll show you. Look at Trent. Bring him in, Trent. That's a double.
Bring it in. Just don't hook me.
Fonzell's got one. Get him in the boat. When you're hearing that clicking sound, means he's pulling drag and you're not really moving him, but there you go. Oh, that's a good one. Get him in. There you go. They 10 on board, something like that. You know, it's annoying as hell. There you go. Finally getting it. Oh, look at Fonzell. Hey, man, you got to figure it out or what? Oh, another good one. Those are good size right there. Swing them in. There you go. Look at Trent, man. Okay, there you go. Just lift him straight from there. Get in the boat. There you go. Good job. He's back in business. Swing him over. There you go. Good. Good job. That might be a striper there. He's quite a fighter. Catfish. See that? Swing him over. 1, 2, 3. A little beak. Came up with a cat. Nice. Not a bad. I'm bass friendly. You're bass friendly. What's going on with him? Hey, that's a good one. That's a good one. Swing to the boat. There you go. Double. Double. I like when you ask me questions. Yeah, you need more grass? Ask me. They get paralyzed. And then you just take it out. They must be biting very steadily. We'll take them. Tell me what's going on today. Tell me. Talk to
Got
me.
some fish. That's what I'm doing. I'm busy. I'm a busy man. I'm a businessman.
Out of control, man. You hear that clicking? There you go. Now just lift from there. Take them in the boat. Swing. There you go.
There you go.
Damn, boy.
Woo! Quick learner.
You
I'm
are.
educated.
Awesome.